any land animal. But what goes on inside this giant brain? Human artists talk of self-expression. This is only possible because we know we are unique beings, separate from the rest of the world. Even though we take this for granted, it's something that is very rare in the animal kingdom. To be a true artist, Hong would have to have what scientists call a sense of self. Diana Reese and Josh Plotnick are specialists in animal behavior.
Well, I think we've seen elephants as being social animals and intelligent, but we say intelligence, but how do we measure it?
A key measure of intelligence is whether an animal has the ability to recognize itself. Reese and Plotnick placed a large mirror in the elephant enclosure at a New York zoo. 3 video cameras recorded the elephant's reaction to the mirror.
If an animal can look at this reflection and see that face in the mirror is there, it suggests they have a sense of self.
At first, the elephants were curious about the presence of the mirror. One elephant was seen trying to look for another elephant behind it.
She shows no social behavior to the mirror, which is something that a lot of animals do when they first experience a mirror image. They go to it, they think it's another animal. Monkeys will consistently treat the mirror image as if it was another animal. They never learn that it's themselves, so they'll threaten it, do displays, ignore the image, turn their bodies away from it, avert their eye contact, things that animals usually do when they're looking at another individual.
But then, 2 days later, the elephants did something that had never been seen before.
So this is Happy, and she's coming out, and what we're going to see is what we call contingency testing behavior or mirror testing behavior, and that's marked by these repetitive movements.
The elephants were checking that their movements matched the movements in the mirror. They clearly understood that the reflection in the mirror was not another elephant, but a reflection of themselves. In order to confirm this finding, a white cross was painted above the elephant's eye. The elephant stood in front of the mirror and touched it. She did not try to touch the cross in the mirror. This clearly showed that elephants have a sense of self.